नमस्कार। हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस इस पर आधारित अब अगला क्वेश्चन। द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज 30 डिग्री एंड द एंगल ऑफ द एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग is 60 degree. If the tower is 48 meter high, find the height of the building. ये क्वेश्चन अपने आरबीएससी 2016 में आया हुआ है। According to question, first we draw a figure. Let AB is the building and CD is a tower which is height is 48 meter. Let AB is building and CD is tower of height 48 meter. According to question, angle of elevation of top of the building, top of building A point from the foot of the tower, foot of tower means point D is 30 degree. Elevation angle of top of building from foot of tower is 30 degree. So angle ADB is 30 degree and angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Top of the tower is point C, foot of the building is D. Elevation angle of top of the tower from foot of the building is 60 degree. So angle CBD is equal to 60 degree. Angle CBD is equal to 60 degree. From right angle triangle CDB form right angle triangle CDB जो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल वो ले रहे हैं जिसमें बिल्डिंग की जो ऊंचाई है वो 48 मीटर दे रखी है और ये BD ये इन दोनों बिल्डिंग और टावर के बीच की डिस्टेंस दे रखी है। tan theta is equal to CD upon BD. tan थीटा की वैल्यू 60 डिग्री, तो tan 60 डिग्री is equal to CD is equal to 48 and base is equal to BD. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to 48 upon BD. BD is equal to 48 upon root 3. equation first. From right angle triangle A B D ABD, tan theta is equal to AB upon BD. tan theta की वैल्यू 60 डिग्री है, so tan 60 डिग्री is equal to थीटा की वैल्यू 30 डिग्री है, so tan 30 डिग्री is equal to AB upon BD. tan 30 की वैल्यू 1 upon √3 is equal to AB upon BD. So AB is equal to BD को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 से, AB is equal to BD into 1 upon √3. BD की वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 से पुट करेंगे, but value of BD by इक्वेशन 1 से इसकी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, AB is equal to 48 √3 into 1 upon √3. 48 upon √3 को √3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 3, 48 को 3 से डिवाइड करने पर 3 1 जा 3, 3 6 जा 18. AB is equal to 18. So height of building is equal to 16 मीटर. इस प्रकार जो बिल्डिंग है उसकी हाइट 16 मीटर होगी. अगला क्वेश्चन है, फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ 7 मीटर हाइट बिल्डिंग द एंगल ऑफ द एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द केबल टावर इज 60 डिग्री एंड द एंगल ऑफ द डिप्रेशन ऑफ इट इज फुट is 45 meter. That means the height of the tower. First, we draw a figure according to question. Let AB is the tower and CD is a building of height 7 meter. Angle of elevation, the angle of the elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree from top of 7 meter height building. 7 meter height building के टॉप से elevation angle of cable tower is 60 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 60 degree and the angle of the depression of its foot is 45 meter. Angle of elevation, this angle is 45 meter. Next then AB is A is cable tower and CD is building of 7-meter height. The angle of elevation of top of tower from top of building is equal to 60 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 60 degree and angle of depletion of its foot is 45 degree. So angle ECB is equal to 45 degree. From right angle triangle AEC tan theta is equal to AE upon EC. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to AE upon BD, because BD is equal to EC. Value of tan 60 is root 3 AE upon BD. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. BD is equal to AE upon root 3. Equation first. From right angle triangle CEB, right angle triangle, this CEB, this triangle, tan theta is equal to EB upon CE. Tan theta is equal to here 45 degree. So EB upon CE. CE is equal to BD. C is equal to BD. Tan 45 is equal to 1 is equal to BE. BE and CD are equal, so BE is equal to CD upon BD. CD is equal to EB is equal to 7 meter. So 1 is equal to 7 upon BD. BD is equal to 7 meter. BD is equal to 7 meter. So BD and BE are equal. So BE is also 7 meter. Put the value of BD in equation first. 7 is equal to AE upon root 3. So AE is equal to 7 root 3. Height of tower AB is equal to AE plus EB. AE is equal to 7 root 3 or EB is equal to 7 meter. 7 root 3 plus 1. Root 3 is equal to 1.732 plus 1. 7 into 2.732. 7 to the 14, 7 3 is 21, 21 or 22, 7 7 is 49, 49 or 2, 51, 7 2 is 14, 14 or 5, 19. So height of the tower is equal to 19.12 meter.